Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you pomelo and pomegranate juice. It's very tasty and very nutritious and very delicious. I got a big pomelos. They're huge. They're like a 2 pound each. I'm going to break two of these. These are huge, big pomelos. So let's go to my kitchen and start making a delicious pomelo pomegranate juice. So as you've seen, these pomelos from our garden. The pomegranate, these also from my garden. I just plucked it yesterday. Combination juice of pomelo, pomegranate. So let's get started. First I'm going to wash the pomelos, and then very important, after peeling, we're going to take the membranes as much as possible. Make sure that it's nice and clean. Those white membrane has a bitterness in there. If there is a seed, we're going to remove it. I have noticed that these pomelos are seedless. How to de-seed the pomegranate? I have a video posted on my channel, and I'm going to show you quickly. You cut halfway, you don't cut all the way through. You've seen we took the top off, and then we're cutting halfway. Keep this much intact. So once this is done, then we're going to pry it open like this. This is the middle portion, and then get a spoon or ladle, then just hammer it, just like this. As you see, it's pretty much done. So there are a few leftovers. You can take those by hand. So I'll show you one more, as I already opened one of them. And you need to do this halfway. So cut like this halfway. What happens if you cut all the way at the bottom? Then this is what's going to happen. It will break. So once you cut, then you take the middle portion out, and as you see, nice seed. Then you turn it over and then go like this. It's always a good idea to get a bigger ball so that it won't fly out. As you see, there are some leftovers. Just like you hammer it a couple times. And that's it. That's how you de-seed it. Finish the rest, and I will show you how to peel pomelos. As for the pomelos, I already start peeling, and if you see, so these are the pomegranate seed. You've seen it, how easily you can de-seed it. This is important. The more you clean it, the better. So this is very important that you can take this membranes off. This is labor intensive. It takes a little time. We're going to check it out if there is any seed. We're going to remove those seeds as well. And the same thing we're going to do for the second one. We're going to cut it. And we're going to do the same thing. Just like this. These have a really thick skin. So just like that. As you've seen, I have a video posted how to make a pomelo juice. And the last time when I did, I cleaned the membranes, the white membranes, and then I just cut into small pieces and then put it into my juicer. And I did felt a little bit of bitterness. One thing I can say that this one, you can peel the whole thing, and you can take just like this. And if there is a little bit membranes out there, you can pull those out. So then that way you won't feel any bitterness. And the good thing about these pomelos, the one I have, these are seedless. No seeds in there. I'm going to finish up like this, then we're going to make a juice. If you notice that this is really easy to peel, and other thing I have noticed that as I mentioned, these are seedless, and if you put your knife underneath this like this, and we do it like this, and it all opens up. Look at this. And same thing, the second one, if you do like this one is a thick membrane, and this is the one is brings the bitterness. When you're going to take it out like this, you're going to enjoy the pomelo juice if you take it out like this. I'm just trying to show you the easiest method. You put it like this, and you just run the knife like this on the side, just like this. See, it comes up. So this is it. So this is what I did with the pomelos. I took all the white membrane off. This way there will be no bitterness and it will taste better. So do it like this. I'm going to start the machine. We're going to put the pomegranate. This is a beautiful color. This machine, the slow juicer, I really like it. Look at the pomegranate juice. It's coming out real nice. And now we're going to add some pomelos. This is very healthy and nutritious. Pomelo pomegranate juice combination. If you haven't tried it, please try it and you're going to like it. So anytime pomelos they get stuck, just push it down. So much juice with the 2 pomelos, and we use 4 pomegranate. So I'm almost done with the pomelos. We all done. Pomegranate and pomelo juice. I like the color. And like always, one for me and one for my beautiful lady.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And I'm going to taste it. Super delicious, and trust me, there is no bitterness. I'm not lying. There is no sugar added. This is all fresh juice. Please try this combination pomegranate and pomelo. And the pomelo, the tip I shared with you, how to take all the membranes off to take the bitterness away. So please try it, and if you like it, like always, please share, like, subscribe to Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.